what else?
May, could you explain what you have done? What this pattern is?
Look, May.
Shh. Yes.
We're trying to make sure that these blocks are like not in the same
Color?
and also not diagonal.
So they are not in the same color in what condition?
Look at this study. I'll show you.
So every two that's neighboring each other are not in the same color. Is that what you're saying? And even for those in diagonals.
Daddy, look.
No, how to say that? Diagnosing.
Daddy, look.
Diagnosing.
Daddy, look.
Ones are not the same color, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure this?
Daddy,
Are you sure?
This.
Okay.
I'm still working on it.
So it hasn't been fully achieved, right?
Yeah.
So how many colors have you used?
We've used 8. Daddy, look at it.
Do you know that there is a famous mathematical question very similar to this? This is that, do you know the world map?
Yeah.
There are a lot of countries, right?
Yeah.
Someone said that, what is the minimum color one has to use to map, to color all the different countries? Because the two countries neighboring each other cannot be in the same color. You understand?
Yeah.
So if they have the same border, they cannot be in the same color. So I have to use the different colors. They come to an answer that's 4 colors. So to print the world map that you can distinguish each country with each other, you have to at least use 4 colors. So that's an interesting mathematical problem. That's a very famous mathematical problem, actually. But it can be proved in one way or another. It's a very difficult one. Not now. You are certainly not learning it now. But maybe in the future, if you study mathematics, you may come across this problem. So it's a world map. And you have to use minimum number. Maybe you can use a lot of numbers and it's very easy, right? But what is the minimum number of colors? Certainly you cannot use 2 colors because there are 3 countries. If there are 3 countries, they all have borders each other. Then if you use 2 colors, then you certainly 2 countries will have the same color. So you must use 3 colors. But they're more complicated than that because one country may have a border with a lot of countries. Again, that country have a border with another country, with many of other countries. Then in that case, you must use 4 colors. So someone proves the minimum number of colors is 4. Interesting. So I just ask you, that's quite similar with what you do now. Because you want to distinguish all these positions with different color, right?
Yes.
You do not want to, because this is very similar. If you have the neighboring blocks with the same color, then it's like they share a border, then you cannot distinguish them. Even diagonal, how to say that? I cannot pronounce that. Diagonals, right? Yeah, that one. Yeah, even that will be similar, look like with the same border. So you have to replace that. So that's the same problem. Yeah, actually. So I'm asking you, how many colors have you been using?
8.
8 colors. Are you sure? Is that 8 colors? Have you counted?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So that's an easy task. So the next step for you is to reduce the number of colors. So you first remove 1 color. Then you put in you may not have enough of these blocks. But if you remove the color, you put another color, then still this persists. You can still satisfy this condition. That's an interesting one, right? Okay.